Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the network security here. Okay, as we studied that one the different layers here in a computer network, like physical layer we studied the data link layer, we studied the transport layer also. Okay, we studied one of the very important layer, that is the network layer. Okay, we studied the what is meant by service here, what is meant by quality of services. Okay, if you are talking about the quality of services, inside that one only we are going to achieve the security also. Okay, today we are going to discuss that how we are going to study, how we are going to achieve the security here. Okay, what is meant by the security? It means that if you are sending the data from sender to the receiver securely, it means that without altering, okay, without stealing the data from the evade rappers or the hackers, it is going to be called as a security here. It means that securely how we are going to share the data among the client and the server, or the sender and the receiver. It is going to be called as a security here. Okay, afterwards we are going to study about the what is meant by encryption and the decryption. Okay, we know well about the encryption means that the sender converts the original data into the another form here. Okay, it means that the plain key is going to be encrypted with the help of secret key here. It is going to be called as a ciphertext here. Then it is sent to the receiver here, or you can say the data is going to be sent to the network here. It is going to be called as a encryption. Then what is meant by decryption? Decryption is nothing but it is a reverse process of the encryption here. It is going to be called the decryption here. It means that another secret key is shared with the receiver here. Receiver is going to decrypt the data with the help of secret key, and he will get the plain text here. It is going to be called as a decryption now. After that we are having the two types of encryption and decryption technique here. One will be the private with the secret key encryption and the decryption, or you can say the private key privacy with the public key encryption or the decryption here. Means that if you are talking about the private key here, then means that the secret key is only shared. Secret key encryption or decryption technique, the same key is used by both the parties here, the sender and the receiver. The sender uses the secret key and encryption algorithm to encrypt the data here. Okay, the receiver uses this key and decryption algorithm to decrypt the data here. It means that what they are telling, secret key, it means that secret key is going to be used by sender as well as the receiver here. Okay, the privacy with the secret key encryption, no, in here that in the secret key is only shared with the sender here. Okay, public key, it means that it is going to be shared among the sender as well as the receiver here. Okay, secret key encryption decryption technique. Okay, the algorithm is used for the encryption is the inverse of the algorithm here. It is used for the decryption also. Okay, it means that if the encryption algorithm uses the combination as well as the multiplication and the addition, no, then the decryption algorithm uses the combination of subtraction and the division here. Okay, it is going to be called as a encryption and the decryption here. Afterwards we are going to discuss about the digital signature. It is another way of providing the security to the data over the network here. Okay, the digital signature is a technique, okay, which is mainly used to validate the authenticity and the integrity of the message here. Okay, we know that actually we are having the four aspects of security here: privacy, okay, as I said earlier, authentication, integrity, and the repudiation here. Okay, we have already discussed the first aspect of the security, and the other three aspects can be achieved by using the digital signature here. Okay, now what are the how the digital signature is going to be, what it is contains here. Okay, digital signature we are having the public key encryption technique. Okay, it is mainly used to sign into the document here. However, the rules as well as the public key and the private key are different here. Okay, as I compare to the encryption and decryption here public key and the private keys are different here. Okay, here sender uses the private key. Okay, sender uses the private key to encrypt the message, while the receiver uses the public key, the sender to decrypt the message here. Okay, in digital signature the private key is used for the encryption, while the public key is used for the decryption here. Okay, digital signature cannot be achieved by using the secret key encryption here. It is about the digital signature. Okay, and the digital signature is mainly used to achieve the following aspects here. Okay, we are having three aspects here. One will be integrity and one more will be the non-repudiation here. What is meant by integrity? Okay, digital signature preserves the integrity of a message, because if any malicious attack intercepts the message here and partially or totally changes it, and the decrypted message would be impossible. Okay, non-repudiation. Digital signature is also provides a non-repudiation here. If the sender denies sending the message, then the private key corresponding to her public key is tested on the plain text here. If the encrypted the encrypted message as same as the original message, then we are going to achieve this one as a non-repudiation. Okay, last one, that will be the authentication. Here we can use the following reasoning to show how the message is authenticated. If an intruder, say this one, the user X sends the message, okay, pretending that it is coming from the someone else here, say user A. The user X uses her own private key to encrypt the message here. Okay, the messenger decrypted by using the public key for a user here, therefore this makes the message unreadable. Okay, encryption with the X private key and decryption with the A's public key results in a garbage of the garbage value here. Okay, the following steps are taken for the to ensure the security here. First will be the main Azure version. The digest of the message is created by using a hash function here. Second one will be the digest is encrypted by using sender's private key here. Third one, after the digest is encrypted, then the encrypted digest is attached to the original message and sent to the receiver. The receiver receives the original message and encrypted digest suppress the two here. The receiver implements the hash function on the original message to create the second digest, and it is decrypts the received digest by using the public key for the of the sender here. If both the digests are same, then the aspects of security are preserved here. Okay. Now next we are going to study about the digital certificate here. Okay, it is also known as a public key certificate. It is used for the cryptographically link the ownership of a public key with the entity that owns it. Okay. Third one, the digital certificates are for the saving public key to be used for encryption and the authentication here. Okay. Last one, the digital certificate includes the public key being certified, identifying information about the entity that owns the public key, metadata relating to the digital certificate, and digital signature of the public key created by the issuer of the certificate here. Right. This is all about the public key data here. Okay. The digital certificate also consists of the packet filtering here. Okay, the system examines each packet entering or leaving the network and aspects or rejects based on the user defined rules here. Okay, packet filtering is fairly effective and transparent to the users, but it is difficult to configure. Okay, in addition, it is susceptible to the IP spoofing here. Okay, so next one will be the circuit level gateway implementation. This process applies security mechanisms when a TCP or UDP connection is established. Okay, once the connection has been made, packets can flow between the host without further checking here. Okay, at the end we are going to discuss about the firewall here. Firewall is a system designed to prevent the unauthorized access to or from the private network. Okay, you can implement the firewall either hardware or software form, okay, or a combination of both here. Firewalls prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing the private network, okay, connected to the internet, especially intranets here. Okay, already we implemented the firewalls in our college as cyber room. Okay, we can restrict the few sites to access for that one. Okay, it is between the server and the clients also. Firewalls are going to be